Welcome back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the get and set method for object maps. You can use them to display the value that's attached to key, and we can also use them to change the values. We'll start with the example that I've created in the last tutorial. It's called fruits. And now we'll use the get method. Regular brackets afterwards, and inside you have to add the key name. Let's start with bananas, and 12 is the value that we get. Oranges gives us 24. The last entry, there the key is the number, so we just add 15 without quotation marks, and we get PS, which is the value. So the get method simply displays the value for a specific key. And with the set method, we can actually change the value. So let me use fruits.set. I type in the key 15, comma, and then I change PS to grapes. And below, via document.write, I get the value for 15, and this is now grapes and not PS anymore. So therefore we can see that on the left it's printed out. Same works for fruits. Let me use the apples here. I want to get that. Right now it's 50. I use fruits.set. My key is the apples. And then I add comma, the new value, and we make that 37. And via the set method, we've successfully changed that. And the get allows us to display it. And this I can use get and set methods for object maps in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.